Hey guys, my name is Ron from Ron Carter Photography. I'd like to welcome you today. This is part 4 in this series on SEO and web design. Today we're talking about flash pages and actually landing pages. Now, years ago, people used to have things called a flash, which is a type of media that they'd embed into their website, and it would show graphics, such as movies, flash movie, and they're very bulky. Excuse me. Today, we're talking about a difference. It's a landing page. A landing page is a certain size that will fill the screen. It can be a background image. And on the background image, you can have an image of your work. It's very simple. And what I do with mine, I have a very simple website with a landing page. And when I developed it, I called it index HTML, or you can call it home HTML, it doesn't matter. But that's going to be the starting point for your website. And I have one H1 tag in it, and that tells the location and what I do. And then the H2 tag, I have in it the other areas and description of what I do for it. Then I have a paragraph, and in the paragraph below it, I keep it very simple. It's just a phone number for contacting me. So that's how I do my web design for a landing page. And it works very well. It helps me get a lot of clients. It's very quick. Remember, you design your websites now for being mobile first. You also design it for being responsive. And when you use Bootstrap, and you can go to getbootstrap.com, and we'll put the description down below, you can go to it, and they have the information that you need to start developing your own website. Now, also at getbootstrap.com, they also have templates. You can download a template, and you can change these templates out to help you develop a website the way you want it to work. Another source is GetHub.com. You can go to GetHub, and they will actually have some people who have developed websites and help you the information that you need. So that's what I do with mine. So it's very simple. It's very easy. Just remember, always geographical area first. What you do second. Then when you go down, and on mine, you look at it, across the top there's a menu. And on the menu, you'll see portraits and headshots. So then I can go back in and I can name the second page, say if it's portraiture, I can name it, if I'm in Chicago, my first page would be Chicago photographer. My portrait page will be portrait photographer or portrait photographer Chicago. And then I can develop a page off of that, which works very, very well. It's very effective. And then you can do one for headshots if you do one for headshots. So let's say, for example, that you're a food photographer and a product photographer. Well, your index page, your landing page, again, can be just an image of you or a picture of your food that you've taken, an image of your food. Very simple. And then what you can do is then on your secondary page, you can say, for example, if you're a product photographer, do other types of photography such as products, then you can have commercial product photographer for a second page. Or if you're a fashion photographer, also you can actually go and do another page on fashion for Chicago. So then it goes, you're very responsive, you're very quick, but it allows you to get in and develop these pages for your genre, for your type of work, where people go in. And, we've talked before about how to keep your title page specific to where you're at and what you do, and your description and your keywords. We talked about that earlier. These are all different tips. I try to keep it very simple so people can develop it. Again, I'm going to put the link below to getbootstrap.com, and you can go in and download the zip file, and then it'll have some basic templates in it. If you want to develop a page with a carousel, that's very hard if you just have to code it out yourself. But you're going to go to Get Bootstrap, and it has it. It's already been done for you. A grid. It's done it. It's there for you. Very easy to integrate. You don't know JavaScript? Guess what? They do it for you. And they continually also all the time to update how they do their JavaScript, how they update to make it quicker and more responsive. You know what? I want this to grow. We're going to do another series coming up. This was about landing pages. You know, if you have any comments, things you'd like to see me do or talk about a little bit, leave them in the comments below. But make sure you like and subscribe so we can develop this site. But like, subscribe, come back and meet me again. I'm Ron Carter. And the next one, guess what? It's on Instagram. And I've gotten a lot of business on Instagram. Thank you very much, guys. Have a safe and happy day.